Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free money in Bloxburg in 2025. This is super simple and it's going to be a Bloxburg code that you can enter in-game and it's going to supply you with free money or free cash in Bloxburg. And this means you don't have to work or grind for your money anymore. Just simply follow this tutorial. Learn how to get your Bloxburg money code, enter it in-game, and enjoy pretty much almost unlimited money. We'll see how much you can get. So just follow the steps that you see in this video and open up the internet on your mobile phone. You can do this on iPhone or Android. It doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you, of course, have an internet connection. And head on over to robotcoupons.com. So type it like this, guys. This is an awesome website that I discovered. They have pages for tons of things on here. You can see they have codes for pretty much any game. So go to the search bar here and just type in Bloxburg, and you're looking for the Bloxburg secret codes page. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. Here we go. So there's a bunch of different codes here. The one we were interested in is the top one. It says free 10 million money in Bloxburg. Now that is super expensive if you use to purchase that with Robux. You can also get block bucks, tickets and game passes. So you can see these codes are limited in number. So when you click on show code, there is a process to unlock your personal Bloxburg code, and this is going to supply you with 10 million free money. So tap on unlock code. And just wait for this to load up. You can see it's counting up to 100%. Only takes a few seconds for it to do this. And once it loads up, you're going to see this code unlocker, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's going to unlock your code once you follow these instructions. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code and follow the instructions below each task. So you can see here, I have a list of things and they're all completely free. You just need to select 2 of the tasks that you see and fully complete them following the instructions below each task. So this one here says follow instructions on the next page. So if you was to choose this one, you'd click on it and it will tell you what to do. So here it says you've got to go to the App Store and search for that app and basically just install it. You can do other ones, like this one says install this mobile game and play until level 4. So you would click on it and you would have to download that app and play it. So basically just complete 2 tasks on this page, and if you do everything correctly, it will redirect you back to this screen and your free money code for Bloxburg will be revealed and you can enter it in game for your free money. So that is it, guys. Pretty simple. It does take a few minutes to do the verification, but don't panic, it is pretty easy. So go to Robot Coupons and find this Bloxburg page by searching for it and just select the code you want and make sure you do unlock your code. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.